I do have a lot of flaking, which makes it difficult to go to the office.
This was really painful and very itchy. So
welcome to my channel. My name is graceypapio. If you're new here, welcome. I do beauty related videos in this channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you my experience with the RYX Clear Bomb Advanced Exfoliating Kit. Yes, parang itong laman.
I just want to quickly go over the kit before I share my experience. Step 1 is the soap. This is designed to effectively cleanse while gently removing dead skin cells off the skin. Step 2 is the toner. This gently slough off dead skin and promote healthy skin cell regeneration. Step 3, day cream, has SPF 30 that helps moisturize and protects the skin from UV rays. Step 3, night cream, is the last step of the routine, which has skin smoothing and glow boosting ingredients while in repair stage.
It has definitely improved and it has definitely dried out my acne. The acne are still red, as you can see. I do have a lot of flaking, which makes it difficult to go to the office because, you know, they see my skin. They know that I'm doing beauty vlogs and then they see me with a flaking face with acne scars. I can't wear makeup. It's quite difficult to mask the pimple scars and acne, so they are seeing my skin almost bare and it's quite embarrassing. This is the night cream. You know, it's almost gone and it's only the 8th day. This one is the day cream and this has SPF 30 and this is also 10 grams as well, as you can see. Sobrang onte. So, just wanna share this bago ko pa ito maubos.
I used the kit on my neck and the next thing I know, it burned my skin. This was really painful and very itchy, so don't do what I did.
Now, let me show you how much product I have left. So for the toner, I have about this much left. For the day and night cream, this is only 10 grams. So this is the day cream. I have nothing left. And then the night cream, maybe tiny bit left. Actually, my skin is in a better place right now. And I feel my face actually is not as flaky as it was. Yeah, and I feel like my complexion got brighter. The moisturizing creams, day and night cream, they're actually just 10 grams. So I finished this quite quickly. I do have a big round face and I feel like I have a lot of surface to cover. My skin feels really dry after using the soap and the toner. So the moisturizing ingredient, I feel like I need more. So I end up using a lot. So, I still have a lot of the soap, ganyan pa siya karami. And then, I think on the 4th day, naramdaman ko na yung sting effect of using the toner. So, on the 4th day, kapag pinapahid mo na yung toner, maramdaman mo na, ang habde, like, it's really painful. No pain, no gain, that's what they said. But yeah, on the 4th day, I already experienced the stinging effect of the toner. Unang naubos sa akin yung day moisturizing cream considering that I'm also cheating. Okay, so I've been using this as well, together with the moisturizing cream, because I feel like my skin really needs a lot of moisture. So I've been using this together with the night exfoliating cream. In all fairness, without the products, the additional products that I use, I would have to say that the kit is quite effective, especially for me. I have really stubborn skin. I really enjoy this kit. I would highly recommend it if your skin is just like mine, but make an informed decision. So just make sure that you test out the products. Make sure you I know that my skin can take this strong chemicals because I've used rejuvenating set before, and my skin is used to it already. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If I know the answer, then I'll answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your time. Help me out in this channel by liking and subscribing. That really helps a lot if you watch my videos. Thank you so much. Anyway guys, that's it for me today. I hope I'll see you again on my next one. Bye!